Sharing resources with employees is crucial for any organization's success. SmarterU LMS simplifies this process, ensuring the right content is readily accessible to your learners. Let's explore some examples of how SmarterU LMS can transform how you manage your resources.
ClearDay Windows is a fictitious manufacturing company with a vast library of product specifications,
Safety data sheets, building codes, and regulations.
The library also includes HR documents such as forms,
Policies, and procedures. Miriam,
a site manager, has been assigned a new project in Virginia.
to prepare, she needs to understand the state's building codes and the products to be used. Miriam logs into SmarterU LMS and navigates to the resources area.
She sees menu options for building codes and product specifications. She clicks the product specifications page and sees a list of resources for each of the products that the company uses. At the top of the page, she sees a toggle for changing how the resources are displayed. She clicks the toggle, which changes the view from a list to tiles.
Miriam's project will use vinyl windows,
so she searches for the word vinyl to find everything on that topic. She notices that each resource displays an icon that tells her what kind of file it is. In her search results, there are PDF, Word, Excel, audio, image, and video files. She notices that some of the files have embedded content from other file sharing sites, like YouTube. She clicks on one of the resource names to see details such as the file type,
description, size, and more. Miriam clicks on the view icon to check out the file's contents.
Since she's going to be traveling to the customer's site, she downloads the file to her computer. Miriam continues to browse the resource library and finds the project's contract. She views the file and notices that the download icon is not available, indicating that it can only be viewed online.
While she's in Virginia, Miriam plans to visit the company's local office.
She navigates to the corporate office's page and finds wiki-style articles for each location. She clicks the one for the Virginia office and finds that the contents are structured with headings, making it easy for her to scan the article.
Miriam also needs to find the company's expense report template.
She clicks HR in the menu and notices that there's an option to search the contents by tag.
Tags are labels that help group similar content together.
She selects the travel expenses tag, and the page is immediately filtered to show the relevant resources.
She finds the Excel file that's used to submit her travel expenses and downloads it to her computer.
Miriam is also interested in learning more about the company's recent changes to employee health insurance. She clicks on the benefits folder and finds a recording of the presentation detailing the changes, then clicks the view icon to watch the video.
Corey is a contractor with ClearDay Windows and will be assisting Miriam on the project. He also has access to SmarterU LMS and can view the product specifications for vinyl windows in the resource library.
Because Corey is a contractor, his access to the folders and files on the HR page is limited by his permissions. Like Miriam, he can view and download the Excel file to submit his travel expenses.
However, he doesn't have access to view the benefits folder, so it doesn't display on the page. With SmarterU LMS, the company ensures that users have access to the information they need, while maintaining data security.
Files in the resource library can be made publicly available or require users to log into SmarterU. These files can even be included in online courses
or as a menu item. Whether it's safety data sheets, product manuals, or HR policies, SmarterU LMS provides a seamless solution for content accessibility and knowledge sharing. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel and consider subscribing. Have a great day.